Hey guys, flat tyres, what a pain in the neck. But they are an inconvenience that happens sometimes. Happened to me last night. I was out for dinner, got a flat tyre on the Rexy, not sure why yet. So on this episode of Nev's Garage, I'm going to show you how to repair a flat tyre while it's still on the car. Real easy, don't have to take it in anywhere, don't need to stress. Let's get into it. Alright, so this is the tyre in question. Obviously you can't tell it's been flat now because, well, you're going to want to go to the servo to pump it up to get you home. And it's obviously only a very slow leak, so that's even better, makes it even easier to fix. So the first thing we're going to do is just jack the vehicle up on the rear so we can check over the tyre. Okay, so now we've got the wheel off the ground. We've got stands under the car, handbrake's off. Now what we do is just spin the wheel around and inspect it. Oh, that's most likely it there. Looks like a nail. Bit of texture. White mark is better, but black one you will see it. Let's just circle that. Most of this is just gravel stuck in the tread. Looks like a bit of glass, we'll check that out as well. So what we need now is just a squirty bottle of soapy water. And yeah, there's our leak. See it there? Frothing up like a 7-year-old waiting for the next episode of Pokemon Go. Alright. So we've found our leak. Let's just check the other suspect area too. A bit of glass. It's inert. Alright, so back to there, which looks like a nail to me. There he is. Alright, so that's going to be a really easy fix. That's cool. Alright, so what we do now, we just let the air out of the tyre. So take our valve cap off. Get our valve core removing tool. And just unscrew the valve core. Hold your hand behind it. That way it doesn't shoot off. Okay. So I'll just put that away for a minute. So now all the pressure's out of the tyre, right? Now we can repair the leak. Alright, so let's dig our fender out with a pair of pliers. Yeah, fairly decent nail. And let's not put it on the floor where we're going to run over it again. Give the tyre a bit of a clean because we had water on it. Alright. Now this is what we're going to be using to repair it. Just a simple tyre plug kit. They're relatively cheap. Alright, so let's open him up. Alright, so I'll give you a nice side on view of it there. First we use the reamer. to clean the hole. There we go. There we go. Now we get one of our plugs. Right, there it is. Put the plug through the needle. I'm just going to use a flat screwdriver here to open the hole up a bit. That's it. Through about halfway, like that. Okay. It's also good to squirt a little bit of rubber cement on it as well. Doesn't hurt. Alright. Now I push that through the hole. It's in. Now what we do is just pull the tip of it back out. Yes. Like that. That's the plug in there. Okay, now we just trim that off with a knife. Like that. That'll just wear off flat now. So that's our plug in there. Alrighty, let's throw the valve back in and put some air in the tyre. There we go, 36 pound. Now let's check the repair. Spray a bit of soapy water on that again. That's better. No bubbles now. Cool. Alright, let's get it back on the ground. Alright guys, well that's it. The tyre's fixed. No more hole in it anymore. Make sure you get rid of the object that was in it. Don't want that to pierce the tyre again. That'd be pretty frustrating. Anyhow, that's how easy it is to patch a tyre. So that's it for this episode. Thank you for liking, sharing and subscribing, and we'll see you next time on Nev's Garage.